Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to review L'Oreal Scalp Advanced Professional Clay 2-in-1 shampoo, ink and mask. So I want to start this video off by saying that you might see the clothes that I'm wearing, and well whatever it is that it is right now is resembling the outro of this video because this particular scene is being filmed after the outro because apparently I accidentally deleted it. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's introduce the product that we're going to review today, So it's called the L'Oreal Scalp Advanced Professional Clay Shampooing and Mask 2-in-1. This is for a mask deep purifier. So it's meant to deep cleanse your scalp. So sometimes you might hear your therapist say that your scalp is too, the pores of your hairs are too clogged with oils and maybe dirt as well, and that you need a deep cleansing once in a while, and I guess this is the product for that. But honestly, I use this product mainly for my dandruff. So I wanted to see the improvements in my dandruff condition, because my dandruff is kind of it's just there's a layer of dandruff on top of my scalp, and if I don't scratch it off, it's not gonna go anywhere. You're not gonna see me having white dots on my hair, but if I do scratch it off, then the dandruff's gonna be everywhere, and then my hair is gonna be filled with white dots. And so yeah, that's kind of my condition, and it also apparently only happens to certain area of my head, around this part only. The other area, no problem, there's no layer of that kind of ickiness or gooey dandruff. So it is disgusting. It does sound disgusting, and it is disgusting. So I wanted to solve that, and so that's why I got this product right here. Okay, so I have actually I have actually used this product, but I lost the footage because I accidentally deleted it, and I googled around and it says that if you want to delete it, then it's going to be it's a bit tricky, you need to buy a software or something. So I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna film it again. Yeah, basically how to use this product is, okay, so the texture is it does clay. It does have the resemblance of a clay, it has the color of a clay as well, grayish color like that. And obviously, as you guys can see, the other side of the cap is dirty as well, because I've been using this for a while. I have been using this for about 6 months. I'm not sure if it has been a year, but I think it's about 6 months. And I have not been using this as often as it should be. When I bought this, it says that I should use it probably 2 to 3 times a week, but I did not do that. I actually use this about once a month. How to use this, and we're gonna cut to the remaining part of the video that I filmed earlier, which is, it might be a little bit weird, but I'm just, yeah, trying to make this as connected to that part as much as possible, because I accidentally deleted the beginning part of this video. So yeah, I think you guys might see it as a little bit weird. What has been missing is how I show you guys how to use this product. I wanted to apply to the scalp and not to the hair, and then you wanted to press it down a little bit as well. So since this is just an example, a demonstration on how to use this product, so yeah, I'm just gonna apply to one part like this, but in reality you have to divide another section, maybe this one right here, and then you put it on, then divide again, and then maybe this one right here. I'm not really good at dividing it, so, and then you put it around here, that area. That's basically how to to apply this product, and you apply that to every single scalp that you can find, basically, front, back, side to side, all of it. So that's like how to deep cleanse your scalp. So this product did say like a 2-in-1 shampoo and mask. So what it means is actually it's the same way to apply it, but it's just that if you decided to use it as a shampoo, then you don't have to wait at all, just rinse it off immediately. But if you want to use it as a mask, then you wait for about 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. Like that's the only difference. The way to apply is the same. So yeah, we're gonna wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and I know this transition is gonna be awkward because you're gonna see like the remaining part of the video that I filmed earlier. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes and see what happens. So since I'm using this as a mask, I have to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes as per the label in the instruction on the back. And we're just gonna see how it goes. So 3 to 5 minutes after that, you can rinse it off, and that'll be all. While we wait for it to sit for 3 to 5 minutes, maybe I'll just talk to you guys a bit about how this product is, like how was the review so far. So I've been using this product for about I think about 6 months. I think there's definitely 6 months. I'm not sure if it has been a year, but definitely 6 months. And I don't really use it regularly, to be honest, because I think I use it I don't know, maybe once a month. Like I don't use it that often. So yeah, it's about once a month, and to me, I think it's definitely relaxing, like because even right now when I'm like letting it sit on my scalp, like it feels cooling, it feels like relaxing, you know, especially like after, like it feels like it cleanses your scalp, like because I do, you know, like I feel like I hope the dandruff is like all coming off when I rinse off my head, but I don't know. I feel like even until now my dandruff is kind of still there, so I don't know if it's because I don't use it that often or because the product doesn't really work for dandruff. I don't really know. But yeah, well, all I can say is that I was hoping that it can kind of cleanse my dandruff and solve my dandruff problem, but it doesn't really solve it. So there you have it. But for like the, you know, like oil buildups in the pores of your hair strands, honestly I don't really know. I can't really tell because I don't have like one of those like microscopic kind of camera. I don't really have that, so I can't really tell about that. And yeah, I think that's all I can say about the result of this product. I mean, everyone can have it differently, but that's just my result, you know. And yeah, as you guys know, I use it not so frequently, like once a month, sometimes not even once a month, sometimes it can even like once every 2 months, because I just feel a bit lazy to use this, to be honest. Like I have to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it off and all that stuff. Like it's a bit, I don't know, I'm just lazy to do that. But also another thing to note is that this is kind of drying in my opinion. So after I use this, I do have to use like conditioner or hair mask or whatever whatever other products is. It's like it's much more drying compared to regular shampoo. Like usually I would use the Tresemme Keratin shampoo, you know, the red color one, and sometimes if I don't use conditioner on that one, like it would be fine, like my hair wouldn't be so dry. But this one does leave my hair pretty dry afterwards. So but overall I feel like the good and positive thing about this is that it does feel relaxing. So sometimes I think it might help with for people who have like a bit of headache. So sometimes when we have headache, like we put some balms on the temple of our head, and but it doesn't really reach like the scalp and all that stuff. So well, this one, like it's good to be applied throughout your scalp, and so that's why it's like your whole head feels so cooling. It's like it's so refreshing, it's so relaxing as well. So I feel like that's probably the only good thing that I'm gonna say about this product. I honestly, I don't really know. The thing about like hair and scalp is that it's pretty tricky. Like honestly, I couldn't really find until now couldn't really find that many products that actually does work compared to skincare. Like for skincare, I was like, sometimes I use some serums and they're like, oh, it's good, you know, like it works as it should. But for hair products, I feel like lots of them are maybe like, especially when they talk about cleansing the scalp, I feel like I don't know about that. I don't really know. I mean, my dandruff is kind of still there. And so yeah, I bought this product hoping that I could solve that problem. Obviously I don't use the, you know, the clear shampoo or the Head and Shoulder shampoo because they are just way too drying. If I'm gonna be honest, I think the clear or Head and Shoulder shampoo is pretty much like this product. So it has the same kind of cooling effect, and it has the same kind of, even the smell is the same. Like it smells, some of the Head and Shoulder products, they do have this kind of like menthol-y smell, and this does have that menthol smell as well. So it does kind of, like when I use this product, it does kind of remind me of using Head and Shoulder shampoo, if I'm gonna be honest. But I don't know, I guess the difference is that for this product you can leave it on for longer, and I guess the packaging is better than Head and Shoulder shampoo. Bottom line for this product is that you can probably get it for the relaxing function, but to like deep cleanse your scalp, I don't really know about that. And for dandruff, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know, but you can try to apply it more frequently. I'm just going to rinse this one off, and I don't think there's gonna be like very visible result because I can't really like show my scalp off. I think this camera doesn't really pick up that much detail. Okay, so I don't think you guys can see like the differences before using and after using. So yeah, but I'm just gonna try to show it to you guys. So that's my scalp after it is being washed. Yeah, I don't think there's like any significant differences unless if you have like a microscopic kind of camera, if you know what I mean, like the one that has a huge zoom that you can see in every pores of your hair strands. Like I think if you have that kind of camera, then you can see, but yeah, I just don't think you guys can see it at all. I just still feel like the mintiness, the cooling effect in my head. So yeah, I would say the cooling effect is pretty long lasting. It's pretty good, and so I really do recommend it if you guys are looking for something quite relaxing, something quite refreshing. I think it is pretty cooling, you know. It's good for like a relaxing spa day, self-care, I don't know. Okay guys, so that is all the review that I have for the L'Oreal Scalp Advance Professional Clay 2-in-1 Shampooing and Mask. The product name is pretty long. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!